Ashwini Srivastava Ubadeyu Joint Secretary, Jong Katanat Food and Public Distribution Jong Sarkar India, Mantagasni Kakhandai Triunaitung Lowan Banjngoh Ayaka Bhoi District, Ban Pejbnia Ayaka Rukom Pantrekam Yikiskim, Bat Kajing Pantrekam Jonga Public Distribution System Haganega Time, Haganigasni Ashwini Srivastava Ulale Banjurib Yaka Community Health Center CHC, Ha Umsau Nong Kharai, Ha Kabau Laikren Bakin Nong Tre Kakot Kakia, Bat Kihe Sarkar Bantip Kambania Ayaka Jia de Hapdeng Kakot Kakia, Akipai Ba, Bat Kiwi. Hadin Kane Ulalik Banjurib Yaka Fair Price Shop Hamautrum, Ha Kabau Ulayo Abanyakran Bakipai Ba, Bat Kinong Yo Jimantoy Naka Public Distribution System. Bansangap yaki jing sngew jongki halor ka jing penpoi yaki marbam bakongsan. Hadin kane ka jing jurib la penlong yaka jing yalang hador bar snong jongka snong pahams im ban yamir jingmut bat ban yathir yatai halor ka jing e bat ban ai ka jing terwa ban penbha shushu yaki rukom padrikam jongki scheme welfare.
This visit is basically to review the implementation of our public distribution system. We are distributing free ration to priority household and their families, as you are aware. So here we are taking feedback from actual beneficiaries if they are getting their ration in time every month free of cost, and if there is any issue or complaint, so that we want to know from central government side. This approach is basically facilitating us to know the realities at ground level. And also we are visiting ration dukan, that fair price shops. There we are asking if they are getting food delivery, food grain delivery at time, every month, full delivery and without any charge. Since central government is sponsoring this program, central government ensure that free food grain reach to all ration dukan every month in time, and that is distributed to all eligible families in states. So far, after visiting two fair price shops and interacting with more than 50 beneficiaries, I found that almost all beneficiaries are satisfied with the distribution part. They are getting full quantity. E-POS is working and Aadhaar authentication is there, so they are satisfied. Only one demand is there, that they want sugar distribution also. That at present Meghalaya state is not participating in sugar distribution, but there is demand by a few beneficiaries. Thank you.